Hello, hello, Anna Malimon here. How's everybody doing today? If you are here with me the first time, welcome. I want to welcome you. I want to say I appreciate you watching my live video with me. If you're watching the replay, go ahead and comment replay so that I know and I can still thank you for watching the replay. But I'm here to talk to you about being your best and giving your best. And what is that, how can that possibly happen on a daily basis or, constantly? Because yes, to be honest, it's not something that's super easy to do, right? Sometimes you want to slack off, and that is normal. But what motivates you or what inspires you to do your very best, to give 100% of yourself? And to me personally, I know that sometimes we hear stories from people that inspire us. And, everybody has their own ways of being inspired or encouraged, but I feel that stories do usually inspire us. And a lot of times we neglect our own story and we neglect our own experiences and everything that we're going through and that we're accomplishing and that we're, overcoming. And the thing is, it's like we always look to somebody else and look at somebody else's story and look at someone else's achievements. But then when you need to stop once in a while and look at your own story. Look at what you have achieved and what you have overcome and what you have accomplished. Take a look at your own. And I'll tell you what, that you have a lot to be grateful for. You have a lot that you can be inspired from your own story. And so today, I want to encourage you to kind of pause for a moment and take a look at your own story. And I know that you'll be inspired by your own story because no one has the same story, but everyone does go through things. And I know that your story is also inspiring. Let me know if yours resonate with me on that, because I know that sometimes we're motivated by everybody else and everything else, but then when you look at your own story, you look at your own situation, you're like, wow, I'm not, I've gone through a lot too. So there's a lot to be grateful for. Let me know if that makes sense. If that's something that you also you feel that with me. Okay, so um, but to for you to give your best self, the thing that I always do is I question myself while I'm doing something. It could be as something as minimal as me washing the dishes, right? I'm just washing dishes because everything starts with something little, something that you think means nothing, but that's where our habits form. From all the little things and all the things that we think mean nothing, but everything means everything. Like everything plays a role and contributes to our habits, to our daily life in every way. So even when I wash dishes, I ask myself a question, like, would I hire myself? Like, would I eat from that plate myself? Would I, would I want someone like me doing what I'm doing? And when I question myself in those things, even as little as washing dishes or something like folding laundry, um, if I'm not doing it good enough for my own self to feel comfortable eating from my own plate after washing it, then I must not be doing such a great job, am I? And so when it comes to things like that, you're just constantly questioning yourself like, no, I'm not here to tell you that you have to be a perfectionist. And I'm not telling you that everything has to be absolutely perfect every time. But this is one way that you can improve and you can try to be your best self and continue to grow by asking yourself questions like, can I do better? Am I doing this to the best of my abilities? Or am I doing this just to get it done? Because sometimes if you're doing things just to get it done, I think it's better not to even do them. Because sometimes it's worse to get it done as if versus putting in a little bit of effort. you know? And so when you improve things on a daily basis, like making your bed, washing dishes, folding laundry, just doing like little things, right? And improving yourself in things like that, I feel that it's gonna be effective in all aspects of your life. You're gonna try, it's gonna form into a habit where you constantly ask yourself, am I really giving it my best? And so when it comes in and forms into a habit of yours, then you're going to naturally give more, be more, and try to do your best every time in everything that you do. And, that's the kind of people. That's the kind of people that you want to surround yourself with. Do you want someone who is just showing up and giving you as if effort, or giving you poor quality of something that you would like, or something that you enjoy, even when you go to a restaurant and the chef is like, well, today I'm not feeling it, so I'm just gonna slap a few things together. You don't want that. You don't want that from anyone, so don't do that yourself. And so it's just like everything works in life so perfectly, and it's like it's all a circle of life. Whatever you want to receive, you have to give first. So when you give your best, you will receive the best. And I hope that this inspires you. I hope that this makes sense to you. So let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments what your thoughts are. If you resonate, if this makes sense to you, if it's simple enough to understand that I'm here telling you this, or is it just me thinking this way? But I know that I'm not alone. I know that I'm not alone. I know that you are thinking, um, and you want to be your better self. You want to give your best self because you want to receive the best. All right. I am going to end it here at this time, but those of you that came and watched me live, I appreciate you. Thank you for watching me. Let me know in the comments below if you watch me live. If you are watching the replay, let me know also. I'd love to hear from you. But otherwise, I will see you in my next video. So stay awesome and have a blessed day.